In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect OneNote. If you keep private notes, financial details, personal plans, or any other sensitive information inside OneNote, adding a password to a section is a smart way to give that content an extra layer of protection. This feature works at the section level, which means you can lock specific parts of a notebook without affecting everything else. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply. First, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're using the desktop version because that's where you'll find the built-in password protection option for sections. Once your notebook is open, take a moment to locate the section tabs. These are usually displayed across the top or along the side, depending on your layout. Next, right-click on the section tab you want to protect. Be sure to choose the exact section that contains the notes you want to secure, since the password will apply only to that section and not the entire notebook. From the menu that appears, select Password. Protect this section. This will open the password protection panel or options for that section. If this is your first time using it, don't worry. The setup is very straightforward. After that, click Set Password. This is the option that lets you create a new password for the selected section. When choosing your password, it's a good idea to make it something strong, but still memorable. Try to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Also, keep in mind that if you forget this password, recovering the protected section may be difficult or impossible, so store it somewhere safe if needed. Now, enter your password and then confirm the password by typing it again exactly the same way. This second entry helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. Since passwords are case sensitive, pay close attention to capital letters, symbols, and spacing. Once both fields are filled out correctly, click OK. At that point, OneNote will apply the password to the section. Your section is now protected and you'll need that password whenever you want to unlock and view its contents later. That's all it takes to password protect a section in OneNote. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference when it comes to privacy and keeping important information secure. Just remember to use a password you can remember, because security is only helpful if you can still access your own notes when you need them.